Now let's take a look at task 3. When building websites, such as news websites, we often encounter sensitive words that are not allowed to appear on the internet. So how do we filter out these sensitive words? One approach is to replace them with asterisks. Let's see how we can implement this functionality. In this task, we need to input a text that we want to filter. Then, we have a string containing sensitive words, separated by commas. This string represents the sensitive words that we want to filter out. The output should be the filtered text. Now, let's implement this functionality. For example, we have a piece of text that I randomly copied from a website. We want to filter out certain sensitive words that should not be presented on the website. For example, filtering out Zhang San, a person's name. Here, how can we replace these sensitive words with asterisks? Let's first take a look at the text and see its contents. There are occurrences of Fuzhou and our names. How can we filter them out? Our approach is to split the string of sensitive words using commas as separators. After splitting, we will have an array of strings. Then, we can search for each word within the text and replace it with asterisks, if it is found. Now let's implement it. First, we need to split the string into an array, using the split method from the string class. This method is used to split a string. What should we split the string by? We will split it by commas. After splitting, we can take a look at the result. Please note that the result of splitting is a string array. Let's output the elements of the array using a typical array output method. Take a look at the result. Both of these words have been printed. Now, what do we need to do here? We need to replace all these words in that string with asterisks. Now, how do we perform the replacement? We can use the replace method from the string class. What should we replace? We need to replace all occurrences of sensitive words with asterisks. After the replacement, has the original text changed? No, it hasn't. As we mentioned before, strings are immutable. We need to create a new string. By assigning the modified text to it. That means we are assigning a new value to it, effectively creating a new string. After the loop, let's check if the replacements have been made. Take a look at the result. The word Fuzhou and the names have been replaced with asterisks, 星号. Now, let's add another sensitive word, metaverse, and see if it gets replaced as well. Though as you can see, 元宇宙 has been replaced with an asterisk, 星号. By listing the sensitive words separated by commas, we can replace them in the text. This concludes our task 3. The method of the string class that returns a specified part of the string is